Hello, in this video I want to show you how to install Firefox browser on Xiaomi Redmi Note 12. And to do this you will need to open a Google Play Store. Then in the top click and search for Firefox. Install it. When it's ready, click on the open and you'll be able to customize the browser with a different theme, toolbar placement, sign in to turn on synchronization, switch between privacy protection settings and read the privacy notice. Now let's click on start browsing, open any website, and as you can see it works fine. And that's it for this video, hope you like it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.